Imagine waking up one day. Your job is gone. Your doctor is an AI. Your teacher is a machine. Even your favorite music is created by algorithms.
Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But here's the real question. Is this actually our future?
Artificial intelligence is growing faster than ever. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI is already part of our daily lives. Apps like ChatGPT can write essays, answer questions, and even help you code. Companies like Tesla are building cars that can drive themselves.
AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't get tired. And it learns faster than any human ever could.
Now here's the scary part. AI is already replacing certain jobs. Data entry workers, customer support agents, even some creative roles like basic design and writing. Why?
Because AI is faster, cheaper, and sometimes more accurate. But does that mean humans are becoming useless? Not exactly.
Let's think about this. Can AI truly feel emotions? Can it love, dream, or understand human pain?
A robot can write a song, but can it feel heartbreak like a human artist? A machine can diagnose diseases, but can it comfort a patient like a real doctor?
Human qualities like creativity, empathy, critical thinking are still incredibly hard to replace.
Here's the truth. AI is not here to replace humans. It's here to work with us.
Think of AI as a tool. Just like the internet didn't replace humans, it made us more powerful.
In the future, doctors will use AI to diagnose faster. Scientists will use AI to discover new medicines. Creators will use AI to make better content. The people who win are not those who fear AI, but those who learn how to use it.
So, will AI replace humans?
No. But humans who use AI will replace those who don't. The future isn't human versus AI. It's human plus AI.